Now we'll show you how to set up the brush machine on the 4-in-1 unit. This is the handpiece for the brush. The brush that you choose will clip into this part of the handpiece. This is your electrical connection, and this needs to be plugged in underneath the accessory tray in order to use the brush. Let's do that now. You will find a connection socket underneath the accessory tray, and it is marked brush. Simply match up the pins inside of the connection point here with the pins on the socket. And put that into position. Once you've done that, the handpiece of the brush will fit onto the accessory tray, and now we'll show you how to operate the control panel. Now we'll show you how to use the brush. Simply select the brush handset, which we've already plugged in. You have 5 different attachments that you can choose to use. The large bristle brush for the large areas of the face and also for the body areas. The small bristle brush for the small areas of the face, for example around the nose or the crease of the chin. The foam attachment is extremely gentle on the skin and is very good for sensitive or reactive skins. It doesn't stimulate the skin too much. The soft rubber attachment can be used for buffing off a gommage style peel from the face, or it can be used for the body areas as well. The small plaster attachment is extremely hard. Although it can be used to buff off a gommage style peel from the face, a lot of people prefer not to use it on the face, and they may prefer to use it on the body areas for exfoliation. Simply select whichever attachment you would like to use and clip that into the end of the brush handpiece. That will click into position. In order to turn the brush on, first of all, turn the on switch, which is located on the side column of the unit, turn that into position. The power off button will indicate, first of all, to show you that there is not yet power to the control panel. To get power to the control panel, you must select the power on button on the lower left-hand corner of the control panel face. Simply push the button, and you'll see the red indicator light come on to indicate that you now have power to the control panel. To use the brush function, come to the top part of the control panel, and all of these parts of the panel are for operating the brush. Push the button that says brush, and automatically you'll be given 15 minutes on the timer, and the intensity will come on. If you don't like 15 minutes on the timer, if you would like to choose 5 minutes or perhaps 10 minutes, simply adjust using the up and down arrow buttons. Now I've selected 5 minutes of time for the timer. The brush hasn't yet started. I must first press the start button, and the starter buttons will illuminate here, and the brush will start to operate. If I would like to adjust the intensity of the brush rotation, that can be done using the control panel. We recommend setting 1 or 2 is fine for most people. However, you can select according to your customer's comfort level and your own treatment preferences. With the handpiece of the brush, you will notice that there are 3 positions that it can be set to. If it is set in the uppermost position, the brush will rotate one way. When the handpiece is set in the middle position, the brush is off, it is not rotating at all. And if you select the downwards position, the brush will then operate in the opposite direction. You can select this according to your own comfort. For extra treatment information and for all of the cleaning recommendations, please refer to the manual.